The kitchen is the heart of the home, but many items can be linked to cancer. This is true, and it is very important to be aware of the potential risks of certain items when preparing and eating meals. In this list, first item that we commonly use in the kitchen is non-stick cookware that contains PFOA, which has been linked to cancer and can release toxic fumes that can cause flu-like symptoms and may be linked to cancer. Another common item in the kitchen is the canned food, which can be cancerous due to the presence of BPA, which can leach into the food when heated or exposed to acidic foods. One of the most important things that we use in the kitchen is refined oil, and during its refining process, some harmful compounds like acrylamides and CLYCIDYL fatty acid esters are formed, which are carcinogenic, and they have been linked to various forms of cancers such as breast cancer, colon cancer, and pancreatic cancer. Nowadays, use of processed meat is common, which is linked to an increased risk of cancer, particularly colorectal cancer. To preserve it, nitrates and nitrites are used, which are when consumed can get converted into harmful compounds called NITROSAMINES inside the human body. And the last item on this list is plastic cutting boards, which are made from a variety of different plastics, and some of these may contain chemicals that can be carcinogenic when they come into contact with food. I hope that this added to your knowledge, and from now onwards you'll be very careful in selecting the materials and the items for your kitchen, and you will use the health-friendly items in the kitchen, so this will make sure your health is good. This is it for now, and don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it in your circle if you care for the people around you. Thanks for watching.